All right, Hoka Ora Primos. These are a special release from Hoka. At the time of this video being released, they will be live on the website. So that's December 15th, Friday, here at Canoe Club. So we've got them in black, we've got them in forest green, I believe is the color that they are itemized as. Both are beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put the black away. I'm gonna highlight the green because I think you can see the details just a little better here with these. So right off the bat, I do kind of view these as like a slipper, dog walking, running quick errands, gotta run the trash out, whatever, you know what I mean? Definitely more of a winter shoe than a summer shoe, and I'll explain why, but I'm just gonna call out some of these details that I think are really cool. Top-down view, this is certainly its own shoe in many different ways, but this lacing system is freaky. The lace is kind of infinite. I'm curious about how they were able to weave it through, but that's also dope. Got pull tabs here on the back. We've got the full Hoka sole that you've come to know and love. Super squishy, super cushiony. It's kind of like 3 tiers here, which is cool. Got the texture all along the sole as well. Noting some things about the upper. The upper is quilted and the inside it's not shearling lined, but it seems like a very, very low pile fleece. So you could expect these to be obviously warmer than not, warmer than just a straight up canvas shoe or something with a little more breathability like some of the Hoka runners. I'd also like to note, sizing wise, I would recommend you go up at least half a size. I believe the volume itself is going to be similar to what you're familiar with in your true to size Hoka size, but getting in this opening here, the ankle area, it's a little tight, so once you're in there, you're kind of like secure in there. I would just go up half a size, and also with the lining being like a fleece of that nature, it's definitely taking up a little bit of volume. So go up half a size. Got these pull tabs here, pull tab on the front as well. On the bottom, it's got plenty grip, so if you did have to run the trash out, do something, it's a little snowy, whatever, you'll be good. It's not necessarily a straight up mule either, so your feet are gonna be covered. I think this would be cool with a baggy black pant, or like a khaki pant. And yeah, ultra lightweight, definitely something to stomp around the house in, or I mean, wear them out too, you know, do you, but we got leather, rubber, quilted upper. Yeah, love these. We've gotten a request many times that in these unboxings that we will throw them on our feet. So I'm gonna now stop. I'm gonna toss the green ones on my feet just to kind of show you how they look proportionally. And yeah, it's been a pleasure. So thank you for watching. ShopCanoeClub.com, December 15th, these will release. Hit me if you need anything else. Thanks, guys.